guys, this is just a video showing the airsoft gun I have. I've had it for a few days now. Yeah, I already unboxed it, used it. So yeah, it is battery powered. So I'm going to show you guys how it is. So I will pause the video till I get to my deck. So yeah. And I am back with the video, guys. Sorry about the little blur. I have my flash on for it. So here's the bullets. It doesn't matter which ones I use. I do have this mask, and here's the gun. It's a pretty good gun. Here, I'll set it right down here. Sorry about that. Whoops. Here's what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna be shooting it. Just right, like, down there or something. Yeah, I know, there's a swing set. So yeah, because we just had it when I was younger, so yeah. Yeah, my dog's just sitting right at the door to come onto the deck. He really wants to. Sorry about my bad recording, you guys. Just trying to get this stinking thing set up. But I'm gonna just pause the video for a sec, so yeah. And hey guys, I am back. I'm just gonna have to hold this while I do it, so I'm just gonna set this down first. Alright. And yes, I have to keep rolling this thing, so that's why I use seat black, because I keep setting it down. And I have done some wars with my brother. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. It's pretty cold out, so yeah, see ya.